Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover, hope you're well. Wanted to do a video of this car. It has just come in, definitely worth having a look around it because this is sort of the halo car within the Evoque range. So we're a Evoque hybrid autobiography. So we're going to be, with it being the autobiography, you're finished with the burnished copper lettering. That is only what you get on autobiography. Then we've got the copper insets on the front vents, the side vents, and on the bonnet vents as well. Autobiography is completely, as I say, the halo car at the top of the tree. So you've got the LED headlights which have an adaptive beam. We also have the 20-inch diamond turned alloy wheels, and we've got the deployable handles which have keyless entry as well, just denoted by that little button here. It's obviously got the aerodynamic styling on it as well, so that's all your gloss black finishes along the bottom of the car and round the car. At the rear we've got rear LED headlights, and we've got a rear camera again finished with the burnished copper on the Range Rover lettering as well. Power boot lid on the vehicle. With this being the hybrid, you also will get the two cables supplied with the car, which is a Type 2 to Type 2 charger and also a 3-pin charger for a slower charge. Car is fully approved, which means that it's going to come with at least 1 year warranty, 2 years if you are currently financing, and there should be no scuffs or scrapes, certainly no damage to the alloys, as it is a fully approved car. Inside we have the really nice cloud and ebony interior, full leather. Again, with it being autobiography, we have heated rear seats on the car as well. And if we just come round to the passenger side front, you'll see that we've got, again, the cloud and the ebony, which has the electric seats for the driver and the passenger. The driver is a memory, autobiography as well. We've got the nice stitching on the dashboard, which is full leather. And we've got the sliding panoramic roof, which is still an option even on autobiography, so it has been very, very well equipped. And if you can see here, we've got the really nice suede headlining as well. As I sit here today, the car has got 21,972 miles on the car. We also have head-up display on the car. Going out onto this system here, we've got your wireless charging, and which will give you obviously your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. As far as the climate control is concerned, we've got dual zone climate. It's got heated and cooled seats as well, and then we've got all your sat nav, your Bluetooth, and your bits and pieces which you would expect on the car as well. Just on here as well, all the secondary infotainment system. So you've got a dynamic system which will look at the sports mode, and then we've got the other option to just go into your seat heating here. On the steering wheel, we've also got radar guided cruise control, heated steering wheel, auto lights, auto windscreen wipers, and then blind spot monitor as well, finished with a full Meridian sound system. So really brief, I know, however there's a lot to pack into this car. It's literally got every single option on it, I think, nearly. You can reserve this car just for £99, subject to us sorting out the finance or looking at part exchanges. Or if you want to have a drive, please give us a call. My name's Chris, and it's 01642 644 444.